Nitro family made it home. Woo, from a good day. It wasn't that bad today. But yeah, just want to show y'all the progress on my on Isaiah short course truck rebuild slash rejuvenation bill. So, all right, y'all. Let me fix this camera and I can show y'all what I done to it. All right. Yup. All right. Yeah, just got everything back together. I put the new spur gear on. Show y'all right quick. I put the new spur gear on here. And everything went together good. Cleaned it up a little bit. Still gotta just clean it down and wipe it down and put a little shine on her so she'll look brand new. But yeah, I like I said, I put a new spur gear on and got everything meshed up right. So it came together real good. It's a few little things that I want to show y'all I did to make some things work right. So yeah. So yeah, right here. Right here. I put the new spur gear on. It was kind of rusted, so I took the slipper clutch off. This part right here is the slipper clutch. So I took it off. I had to oil it up a little bit. Just take it off because, like I said, it had a little rust on it. So I got all the rust off, wiped it down, cleaned it up, and everything went back together real good. Once I put that little oil on it, everything just came a little smooth. Put it back together. I reset the mesh gear. Reset the mesh. It's real smooth. And I put a little, especially working with these electrics and nitros, anything to do with engine stuff, engine mounting, engine, the little engine plate on the electrics and nitros. Make sure you use Loctite on these screws so they won't back out, and on your set screws or your pinion. It may be wise to use a little bit of red Loctite on the set screw of your pinion. So yeah, just a little tip. And just make sure when you mesh your gears, just make sure you got just a little bit of backlash, like a little bit of give. You can hear it. It's hard to see, but it's a little bit of give in there, like a little bit of slack. So hook that up, got everything meshed back right. And then I had to use this 3-cell. It didn't fit in the tray only with the stock settings. It didn't fit in the radio tray, you know what I'm saying, with the stock, how it is stock with the battery holder come across the top. So what I had to do is to get it to fit, so it wouldn't fit. It wouldn't fit with this because it's a little bit thicker. See, this 3-cell, it's thicker than this 2-cell. See, so sometimes when you get upgrade, I didn't really think about this. This battery might be a little bit thicker than the 2-cell. Cause there's some 2 cells are flat, like three cells that are kind of flat like this. But anyway, this one it's got a little bit more thickness to it, so it wouldn't work with the battery holder like that. So what I did was, just like I said, it's a part of the hobby, is knowing how to modify and make stuff work and still make it look clean. So what I did was, right here on the bottom of the chassis, it's a little space where the receiver wire, you see at the bottom there, that's the receiver wire, comes through to the other side, to the ESC. And so what I did was, it's little slots. Y'all can see the little slots down there, right here, the little space right there. So what I did was took my Dremel tool and just modified the you see these the plastic beams right here. What I did is I just opened those slots up, took my Dremel and opened those slots up. To open them up, I use, so if you come across something like that, you may have to modify something on your chassis, don't be afraid to. I'd use this bit right here just to grind and open up those slots just enough so I can get this battery strap in. So I put this battery strap in and I open up the slots a little bit. See right here? So this will fit through there. And I'm gonna use this strap to strap the battery down. So I'm gonna use the strap like this to strap this battery down. So see, that's all it does. Sometimes you gotta improvise and make it work. And this is actually better, more secure, because it'll hold the connection, the Dean's plug in place, and then it'll hold the battery in place, more secure. So just strap it and just pull it, make sure it's tight. There you go. So yeah, that's all the little modification I did to it, and everything turned out good. The ESC is back in, mounted, and I mounted the switch back right here, so y'all can check it out. Turn it on. See, so everything's working. I'll turn the remote on so it quit glitching. So okay. So yeah, everything's working. Now the fan smoothed it out better. So I'm still gonna keep an eye on this ESC, but it still seems to be pretty good still. And everything's working, y'all. Like I say, if y'all got anything at the house that y'all need some help with getting back going, just remember EKJ is your man. Y'all call me, email me. I always put my email address in the description of every video. If you got something at home that you may need some help on, that you may need some work done on, just hit me up, email me. We can work out a schedule that I can get it and work on it and send it back to you. So just hit me up if you have anything, especially if it's nitro. You know, I'm more familiar with nitro. I'm learning electric a little more and more, especially when I keep, doing rebuilds and bringing cars back to life, especially electrics. It gets easier to work on these electrics. So, but yeah, like I say, if you got anything at the house that you want to get back running, holla at Ekj24000. Like I said, I put my description I put my email in the description box of the video. So hit me up. I don't mind working on anything. It'll be for a fair price. Just hit me up. We'll talk and work all that out. So just hit me up. So I got it back going. Everything working. So y'all, let's take this outside and let it rip and see what it do. All right, y'all. See you in a minute. Yeah. All right, Nitro family, we outside. You can see how the blitz run. Oh yeah. You gonna like this. Hey, I don't know. The modified motors, hey, yeah, hey. Yeah, I might have some. I may have a contender right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he got some speed to him. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, blitz getting down, y'all. She good to go. Good to go. Told you, hey, if y'all need any help getting your RC back up and running, if you really don't have time to do it at the house, or for whatever reason, feel free, hit me up. Like I said, I leave a description of I leave my email address in the description every time in the videos. Yes, sir. Good to go. All right, RC family. I wanted to show y'all that. Just hit me back, hit me up. Stay tuned. Much more to come now. All right, later.